Here's how to get 1,000 subs fast. Your first 1,000 subs, they're the hardest and the most important. But while others grind for months, you're about to move faster. This is Dig. And this is how to grow. Pick one niche and make 3 videos around one search term. That's how the algorithm finds you. Step 1. Make 3 videos around one searchable topic. Most creators make videos they like. Winners make videos that people are already searching for. Post one short every day around your main niche and watch the velocity build. Step 2. Use YouTube Shorts to hook new viewers. Shorts are your launchpad. They feed subs fast. Start with a bold hook. A question, a reveal, a warning. Hook them or lose them. Step 3. The 10-second rule. The first 10 seconds make or break. So for the full step-by-step guide on how to grow on YouTube, subscribe to my channel. And I've got 7 more steps to go, but I can't fit it all in a small video.